I'm going to show you how you can set up your monitoring on SDI and HDMI out in Sony FX6. So first of all, you go to menu by long pressing the menu button, and then you come on your monitoring. In monitoring, you go to output first of all if you want to keep output on or both. So if HDMI is off and you plug in the HDMI, you'll not be able to see the HDMI video on that because here it's off, so you need to turn it on as well. After that, you have the output format. So this is where you can choose the resolution of your output, and then you can determine if the signal will be progressive or interlaced. So I keep it on 1920 by 1080p in HDMI and SDI both, and it is on progressive. You have the anamorphic de-squeeze. If you want to apply that, you can apply that as here as well. And then you have the output display. So if I will turn off my output display, whatever I do on my screen, I'll not see on my SDI or HDMI, and I'll not see any overlays on my SDI or HDMI output. Then you have the display on off, where you can determine what should be seen on your display. So if I, like, let's say I don't show my white balance, so if I turn it off and I go out of my menus, you can see I can't see the white balance here on the screen. And now if I go and turn it on and go out of my settings, you can see my white balance is shown here. Then you have the marker. Marker basically is your aspect ratio. So if you want to put any of the aspects on your screen, you can do that here as well. And surely the viewfinder settings. And then you have